What's good, people? We are going into a Walmart to check for clearance. Right now, toy clearance is popping, so we are going to go see what we can find to flip for money on Amazon or eBay. Although I mostly search for Amazon buys because it is much more hands-free than eBay. But if the deal's good enough and I cannot sell it on Amazon, I will buy it to flip on eBay. We're heading straight for the toys because that's where it's at. And right away, I see these Nerf guns on the bottom shelf. They are $15, regular like $49, something like that. I don't even scan them for you because it's a banger of a deal, and I know that that's profit because I've bought them before. So I'm just going to throw those in the cart. Next I find these Stomp Rockets. They are $5, regular $15. So I'm going to give it a scan. First with the Walmart app to make sure that it's $5, and then with the Amazon app, and it pays out $9.61, so minus the $5 buy cost, you're making $4.61 per unit. So that's about a $20 bill that's going into the cart right now. And if you're new, you want to scan all of this stuff. I'm not, because I know that it's not what I'm looking for because I've scanned it at previous Walmarts. So there's another Stomp Rocket. It's a bigger size. This one sells for $7. So I'm going to give it a scan on Amazon, and yeah, it's paying $18.90. So that's an $11 profit right there. We'll put that in the cart and keep looking. Ryan's World. I have sold Ryan's World. Now this Hot Wheels, I cannot sell Hot Wheels on Amazon. I'm gated. But this is quite a deal. It's like I think it was $49 marked down to $15. So I am going to give it a scan to see if it's worth it to sell on eBay or not. And you can see there's a lot for sale, and the prices look great. But then you go to the sold items, it shows you what's sold in the past 90 days. And, you know, there's a big difference between what people want and what people are actually getting. I decided to pass on this because there were so many for sale and not so many that had sold. So I'm just going to stick to what I like. I am ungated in Nerf, so I can sell this on Amazon. And to be able to do that, I opened a wholesale account at Entertainment Earth and submitted an invoice to Amazon, and now I can sell anything Nerf. This particular gun costs $7, and it doubles. It will double your money at $7. So I'll put that in the cart. This particular doll I don't think that I've scanned before, so I'm going to give it a scan to see if it is profitable. The name of the game is just to scan as many things as possible. It's really just about scanning. Now this rad robot is a mistake of mine. I scan it. It was $12, and I liked what I saw. I just didn't put it in the cart. I don't know what I was thinking. I think I was just trying to juggle the camera and source at the same time. I'm not sure, but I really thought that I put that in the cart and that I forgot it when I checked out. So I am scanning through Nerf because I can sell it and there are some deals to be had. I'm just looking for anything that I have in the cart already or anything else that I know is on clearance. Again, I'm not scanning because, I've got my finger on the pulse of what's on clearance at Walmart. That looked like what I just picked up, the $7, but it is not the same gun. So I'll put that back. And you got to remember to always look up on the top shelf. Hey, look at that, $7. But just always look up because, I don't know how many things I find on the top shelf. And speak of the devil, right there, is that the $7 gun right there? I'm not sure. But before I climb up and drag them down, I'm just going to give them a quick scan to see what they come up as. And no, that's not the one we're looking for. Here I was hoping to find some of those like Mario or Yoda, Baby Yoda Bluetooth speakers, but no go. Now we're heading to electronics to give it a quick go. It's been pretty dead there for me the last couple weeks, but you're not going to find any deals if you aren't walking around looking for them. So I'm just cruising the aisles, keeping my eyes peeled for yellow clearance tags or deals that I know I've bought in the past that maybe got put back on the shelf and aren't marked as clearance, which happens way more than you would think. So completely struck out in the electronics, and next is the baby department. They have been clearancing out a few things like Johnson's & Johnson baby wash and like diaper rash ointments. So I'm going to check for those, and then that's it for this Walmart. Not a super big haul, but not a bad return. And that's everything I got. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.